Now tenses, I'll give you the short review of the tenses now. There are mainly three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. And each tense is having four kinds. For present tense, it is simple present tense, present continuous or progressive tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. For the past tense, simple past tense, past continuous or past progressive tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. For the future tense, it is simple future tense, future continuous or future progressive tense, future perfect tense and future perfect progressive tense. Progressive or continuous word is used simultaneously. You can use either of them. Now, simple present tense, when subject plus V1 plus object. If the singular subject, plural verb and plural subject, singular verb. Example, he writes a letter and I write a letter. You might have seen the differences between both the subject. He is singular, so plural verb writes is used, and I is plural, so singular verb write is used. Now simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object, means here you have to use the second form of the verb. Neeta went to the school. Here went is the second form or V2 form of the verb. Now simple future tense, it shows the future time of the future time. So we can say, we can use here will or shall, and base form of the verb means V1 form of the verb we have to use. Now we can take the example, he will learn his lesson, you shall complete your work. This is the simple future tense. Now present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is showing the work is still going on. Then our continuity is shown by this tense. Means any of the continuous tense we can feel the continuity in the work. For present continuous tense we are using to be verb. You are familiar with to be verb, that is are. That is the present form of the to be verb. So Ram is writing, they are reaching here, we are showing our performance, and you are keeping your bag on the table. These are the present continuous tense, how we are using the helping verb with them. Now past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, was or were are used with the main verb, means we are using ing form of the verb, that is she was coming to my home, they were showing their performance. These are the past continuous tense examples. Now we will come to the future continuous. Future continuous tense, helping verb will be or shall be can be used, and base form में ing लगाकर, या फिर we can say ing form of the verb is used. Now the example is, he will be writing a letter, they will be writing their project. Is that clear now? Now comes the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, helping verb has or have are used. Has is used with singular subject and have is used with the plural subject, and past participle form of the verb, which we say third form of the verb or V3 form of the verb. So I will tell you the example, he has written a letter, they have written their project, or they have completed their project. Past perfect tense we will come now. Had, helping verb had is used with in the past perfect tense, and past participle form of the verb, that is V3 form of the verb is used. He had written a letter, they had completed their project. This is the past perfect tense. Now future perfect tense, will have or shall have. He will have written a letter, they shall have completed their project. Is that clear now? This is the future perfect tense. Now we will come to the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense means the work was going on. It was started in the past but still going on. This is present perfect continuous tense. So here the helping verb has been or have been are used with the subject. Singular subject has been, plural subject have been, and base form में ing लगाकर, or we can say ing form of the verb is used. It has been raining since last night. I have used here since also. Since is used for the certain time, and another conjunction, that is for, it is used for the uncertain time. Now past perfect continuous tense, we will use the helping verb had. So subject plus had been plus V1 ing and plus object we are using. It had been raining since last 2 days in Nagpur. Understood? Now future perfect continuous tense, we will use will have been or shall have been, V1 ing, along with the verb we are using ing form. Now my uncle will have been arriving here. Is that clear now? So the short view of the tenses I have given you. Now subject verb agreement, we can say the verb we use to show a particular tense needs to be in arrangement with the subject of the sentence. I have explained you all the details which are belonging to the subject verb agreement in the tenses even. So you can notice them all.